In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Trello masterboard. By the end, you'll have a clear, reusable setup that keeps projects organized and easy to manage. First, head to your Trello account and open your boards page. This is your home base where all your boards live. From here, click the Create button. You'll see a few options pop up. Choose Create Board. Rather than starting from scratch, we'll speed things up by using a template, so select the option to start with a template for now. Templates give you a solid structure you can tailor, and they're perfect for building a master board you'll reuse across projects. For this example, pick the project management template. It typically includes helpful starter lists like to do, doing, and done, which are easy to adapt for any workflow. Next, give your board a clear descriptive title. A good title makes it easy to identify and clone later, so something like Master Project Board or Team Projects Hub works well. Now choose the visibility level. Private means only people you explicitly invite can see it, which is great for sensitive work. Workspace visibility keeps it accessible to your team inside the workspace. Public is searchable on the web, so only use that if you truly want it open. Most master boards work best as private or workspace visible, depending on your collaboration needs. Click Create to generate the board. You'll land on your new board with the template lists in place. This is where you make it yours. Rename lists to match your process. For example, backlog, ready, in progress, review, and done. Keep the flow simple and logical so everyone knows where work lives and what comes next. Open a few sample cards and customize them into reusable patterns. Add meaningful labels for priorities or work types. Write a clear card description outlining what done means, and add checklists to break work into steps. Due dates help with scheduling, and attaching files or linking resources keeps context in one place. If the template includes example cards, edit them rather than deleting. These can become your standard card templates to copy as needed. Consider pinning a reference card at the top of the first list with brief instructions for your team, like how to name cards, when to move them, and which labels to apply. As you iterate, archive lists or cards you don't need, and use Trello's filter to view cards by label, member, or due date when things get busy. That's it. You've created a Trello master board that's structured, flexible, and ready to scale with your projects.